Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Naomi and this is The Real NaomiB, where we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. And in today's video, we'll be talking about my handbag collection. Now, if you know me, you know that I am obsessed with handbags. I'm currently on my luxury handbag collection journey, where I am saving up to buy my first handbag. And I currently have a video up on my channel where I talk about which handbag is going to be my first luxury handbag purchase. If you are currently thinking about your first handbag purchase, or you're just a luxury handbag enthusiast yourself, I have that video linked below. Feel free to check it out. Even though I do not own a designer handbag, that does not mean that I'm going to skimp on quality. One thing about me is I pride myself in ensuring that the pieces that I purchase are of high quality, meaning that they are going to last me a long time, and these are bags that I can take from year to year, season to season. Let's just jump into the first bag that I have selected from my handbag collection. This bag is one of my favorite bags to date. It was actually gifted to me by my mother-in-law last Christmas, and this is one of, if not top three, top two in my handbag collection. I pull for this bag every time I get the opportunity to, and it is going to be this beautiful number. How stunning. If you are not new to the handbag world, you know which bag this resembles. Now, this is not a replica of any particular bag. However, there are features on the bag that reminds me of one of my favorite handbags from Chanel. There are no logos on this bag, and that is one of the reasons why I absolutely love it. Another thing that I do love about this bag is the hardware. I'm not sure what it is currently looking like on camera, but the gold on this bag is so beautiful. The chain detail has some weight to it that really makes the bag feel so much more luxurious and high quality. Not sure if the camera is picking up the grain on the leather, but it is quite stunning. Let's get into the bag. It does have one flap, and then it goes into the main compartment with a gold zipper. Also, the metal on this bag is just chef's kiss. I've gotten so much compliments on this bag. So many people have stopped me in the streets. I've gotten so many compliments either on Instagram or TikTok. Every time I wear this bag, or I have it in a video, or I'm photographed with this bag, I get so many compliments. And it's also an indicator that it's not just in my head. People are actually seeing the quality of the bag. As we get in, inside the bag is lined with a beautiful black and white stripe pattern. And then it has a back pocket here, and also another little pocket here, which is so cute. At the back, there is another really tiny pocket that you can maybe slip like a card or change or cash if you're on the go. There is that feature here. I'm telling you, stunning. Another thing that I like about the bag is the strap. You can take it from double strap, or you can pull it and crossbody, which is always perfect, especially if you're going shopping or you want to be hands-free, or you have a bunch of things in your hand. You can always pull the chain and turn it into a crossbody. But when I'm wearing this bag, I often opt to wear it, I want to say, more dressed up, or if I want to dress up or spruce up an outfit, I will throw this bag, and it sits quite nicely over the shoulder. It is so pretty, so adorable, so dainty, just a perfect evening bag. Honestly, this is a special one, and I see this in my collection for a long time. Even when I start to acquire designer handbags, I don't see myself getting rid of this. Maybe if the hardware starts to fade or the bag itself gets damaged, this will be in my collection. A beautiful piece. No complaints. The second bag that I'm going to talk about is my pillow tabby from Coach. I have it in this beautiful mustardy yellow color, and the leather on this bag is so soft, so supple. If the bag comes with a dust bag, more than likely I'm going to store it in the dust bag. Currently, my closet system is not installed as yet, but it is coming, and I don't know, maybe even then I'll still keep it in a dust bag because I'm just so afraid that it's gonna get scratched. I have one scratch on the bag since I got it, and I'm telling you, when I saw it happening, I had to go through a scanner, and the lady just literally just dragged it across the table. And I'm telling you, my heart, I was having heart palpitations the entire time. It really scratched up my baby. Got this bag for my 30th birthday thanks to my wife. Even though she's not a handbag enthusiast like I am, she saw how much I was literally craving, foaming at the mouth for this bag, and she got it for my birthday. Now let's get into the details on this bag. Of course, it comes with the infamous C logo on the front. It has one flap which takes you into the main compartment of the bag. It has a pocket in the front and also on the back, and also a small little pocket. Details on this bag is so pretty. It has the story patch of authenticity in the back. Doesn't hold a ton, but don't really need a lot of things if I am wearing this bag. Wallet, lip gloss, and maybe like a powder. The craftsmanship that Coach put into their pieces, it's honestly top tier. I really do love it. I absolutely baby this bag, and I feel like I am that way with most of my bags. They may not be designer, but they're special to me, and that's because I source only things that I know that it's gonna last me a long time if I take care of them. In the dust bag, it comes with the smaller strap. I wear the small strap on the bag for date nights, or if I'm going out to dinner, or when I'm trying to be a little bit more dressed up. Pop on this little handle. I take it on vacation a ton. It's the perfect vacation bag because it's that really pretty pop of color that you may need in your outfit. Yeah, obsessed with this bag. 10 out of 10. I cannot wait to put on a small handle and pop it on the handbag stand that I'm planning on getting for my built-in closet unit. I want to display it. I feel like that would be such a pretty little accent in my closet. What do you think? Comment below and tell me if you keep your bags in the dust bag or you have them displayed in your closet. For now, because I don't really have a structured place where I can sit all my bags to ensure that they don't get damaged, so for now she lives in her dust bag, but there may come a time when I have the opportunity to display her in this closet. The third bag that we're going to talk about today is going to be this beautiful little number. Again, I do appreciate the craftsmanship and the design at Chanel. So when I saw this bag, instantly my mind went straight to the Coco handle, and gorgeous. Also comes with the gold hardware. I'm telling you, I am a gold girl, and it is just absolutely so cute. Another thing that I love on bags are feet, and this one comes with 4 little feet on the bottom, so she just sits real nicely when you put her down, especially when I'm out to dinner. She sits nicely either on the table or in my lap. So cute. I absolutely love it. I love the top handle because I am truly a top handle girl. I like just having a smaller bag on the crook of my arm just like that. I think that is just so feminine. It's just so visually beautiful to see. But yes, this is the third bag on our list. I'm not sure if you're able to see the grain in the leather on the handbag, which just makes the bag look so much more high quality. I tend to stay away from smoother leathers because they scratch so easily, and I find that I have to baby the bag more when it's a smoother leather. But with this, I love this bag. I've had this bag for maybe about, I want to say 2 years now, and she is still in impeccable condition. I take care of my things. If I like it, I'm gonna baby it because I want to have it for a long time. But let's just get into the features of the bag. So it comes with this turn lock closure here, and then the flap, and then it goes into a really big compartment. In this bag, I think I still have a hand lotion in here. As a matter of fact, but yeah. A big pocket in the middle, just one big pocket, but it also has a zipper pocket in the back, like so. Right back here, what do I have in here? Lip gloss and one big pocket in the middle. This, however, does not come with a pocket on the back, which is fine, but the strap is also quite beautiful. The chain on it is also very heavy, which I love. If I pick up a bag that has a chain and the chain is not heavy, I tend not to gravitate towards it, because I feel like that heavy chain really adds to just the quality of the bag. It makes it feel and look so much more high quality. But yeah, I'm obsessed with it. Obsessed with the feet, obsessed with the shape, obsessed with the top handle. Just a beautiful, beautiful bag. What I also like about this chain is that it has this leather strap at the top, so when it sits on, if you decide to wear it over your shoulder, it doesn't eat into your skin, so it does have a little bit of support here, which is also really, really nice. I will have the links to this bag and any other bag that I mentioned in the description if you're interested. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful bag and perfection. Now the fourth bag that we're going to talk about in my collection is actually new to my collection. My mom bought it for me for my 31st birthday this past June, and when I'm telling you that this is just so beautiful, so gorgeous. The stitching is perfect, the structure of the bag is perfect, it holds a ton. Like, this holds so much in it. I take my wallet, my keys, my little sanitary pouch with any little of my feminine bits that I may need to carry that day, my hand lotion, my phone, my vlogging camera. This bag holds my life. But what I absolutely love about this bag are the straps. It comes with two straps. It comes with this long crossbody thinner strap. I don't want to say flimsy, but it's just thinner, so I necessarily love that comparing to other bags that I own. But what I do like about this is the fact that it is adjustable, and it has this really cute adjustable detail where you just open longer if you want to, or shorter if you want to, pull it down and pop it into the next hole like that. I think that is such a very clever detail. But my favorite strap on this bag is going to be our canvas guitar strap. Oh my god, look at that buckle. Look at the quality on that nice sturdy buckle that clips onto the bag. I love the gold hardware, the detail, the design on this is really, really, really so nice. It's very pretty to look at. I've gotten so many compliments on this. I actually made a short form content, I believe, for my shorts and also for TikTok. And on TikTok I got so many people asking me about the bag, where it's from. What I love is the option to customize it and add your initials, which is just, I believe, such a special touch. But so beautiful, great quality. But let's get into the actual bag. Nice sturdy magnetic closure. Pop in, and first thing you go into is the really big pocket. In here I don't have my keys, but really big closure. But when I tell you that this bag has space, it not only has one big pocket here in the front, but it also has another big pocket here in the back. Roomy. When I'm if you are going out and you're going out for the entire day, you want to pack a bunch of stuff, snacks, wallets, all your essentials. You want to pack up a bag, but it's still small enough to be nice and discreet. You don't have to take a big purse. This is the way to go. It has another zipper pocket in back for anything that you want to keep hidden. What do I have in here? Another memory card. Oh my god, and this is this one has content on it and I cannot afford to misplace this. So this bag holds a ton. You're not gonna if you decide to get this bag, I'm not in this video is not to persuade you to get any of the bags that I have, but if you happen to come across this bag, minimal bag that's not too flashy, that holds a lot and is still also visually just gorgeous, definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. The only thing that I find, even though I haven't gotten any scratches just yet, it is that smoother leather, so I'm afraid that there's gonna come a point in time, oh, I'm lying, there's one scratch here, but it's super tiny. But that's what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid that it's gonna get scratched up over the course of me having and wearing the bag. But you know what, it's so beautiful. I'm not gonna stop wearing it. It's so easy to wear. Pretty much goes with everything that I own, everything that I probably would wear. So yeah, a keeper for sure. Now the last bag that I'm going to talk about, I've actually had for, I want to say, about 3 years now, and she is still standing strong in my closet. Now it does have a little bit of wear and tear, but this top handle, and again, if you are a bag enthusiast, you kind of know which bag this shape favors. Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So this is a bit bigger than the size that I would get, but the size of this bag makes it a really nice work bag. Fits my iPad. It just about fits my laptop as well, but then I won't be able to close it. But fits a ton. Also really beautiful, really nice quality. The leather on it is really nice. It is kind of shiny, but honestly I don't mind it. Gold hardware all around, and my favorite detail, it has feet, which means that she sits quite nicely and I don't have to worry about the bag sitting in anything because it sits on the feet. Really good quality, really hard wearing. The structure of the bag is why I fell in love with it. It has 2 big zippers on the side, which gives you complete access to the bag. I should have cleared this bag out, but you know what, it is what it is. But just to show you how big and wide this bag is, holds your entire life, I promise you. Comes with 2 pockets up here in this side, the big compartment in the front, and then over here it has another pocket, and then over here it has another pocket. There is a zipper detail here that gives you access to another hidden little pocket for anything that you want, anything of value that you want to keep tucked away. I am still really impressed on how this bag has held up, especially for the price point. I did get this bag on Amazon, and baby, yes, great quality, beautiful design. Yeah, 3 years and she's still going. Like I said, there is some wear and tear on the strap where there is a little bit of fraying. After wearing this bag so much over the past 3 years, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at how it's held up. It's really one of my top bags. I've taken this bag to Egypt with me. I had it sitting on top of my carry-on, so I push it around, and in here I had my moisturizers, my skincare, my wallet, passport, phone, camera. Holds your entire life. So those were the 5 bags that I chose from my handbag collection. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see my full handbag collection, because if I was supposed to go through every handbag I have, it would be a much longer video than this. However, I just wanted to give you a snippet of my top 5 current favorite bags at the moment. I do intend on buying designer handbags and adding them to my collection, and maybe as my luxury designer collection grows, maybe then I'll start to filter out some of these other bags. But for now, those are my top 5 favorite handbags. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And until next time, love you, bye.